Unlock the secret to emails that actually get opened, clicked, and convert your subscribers on Beehiiv. Let's dive into crafting high-converting email posts that will propel your newsletter goals forward. This isn't just about sending emails. It's about sending emails that perform. Will focus on the 3 pillars: killer headlines, persuasive copy, and irresistible calls to action, all optimized for the Beehiiv platform. Step 1. Nail your headline. Your headline is your first impression, so make it count. Think benefit-driven, curiosity-piquing, or problem-solving. Use strong keywords your audience is searching for, and keep it concise and clear on Beehiiv. A compelling headline is your golden ticket to getting that email opened. Step 2. Write persuasive copy. Once they've opened, your content needs to captivate. Focus on providing genuine value. Tell a story, share an actionable tip, or offer exclusive insights. Speak directly to your audience's pain points and desires, and show them how your content or offer is the solution. Break up your text with short paragraphs, bullet points, and visuals to keep readers engaged. Step 3. Craft a clear call to action. What do you want your subscribers to do next? Make it crystal clear. Use active verbs and create a sense of urgency or exclusivity. Your CTA buttons on Beehiiv should be prominent, stand out visually, and lead directly to the desired outcome. Whether it's reading a full post, visiting a product page, or signing up for a webinar, your CTA is the conversion engine. By focusing on these actionable strategies, a circumflex euros, compelling headlines, valuable and engaging copy, and a strong call to action, a circumflex euros, you'll transform your Beehiiv posts from just emails into powerful conversion tools. Start implementing these tips today and watch your newsletter engagement soar.